public lake and everything. Nice trees now though, eh?
Yeah.
Different colors. Not much though on here. It's all houses, yeah. That's old house, eh?
In 400 meters, turn right onto Nepawasi Lake Road.
A big fish.
Oh, put that in the water.
No, wait. I'm taking a picture.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a bass.
No, it's not. It's the orange. It's a
Oh,
it's a big one.
no, don't get that shell out of here.
I am.
If you get them,
I think that's only a perch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put there because I will take later. It dropped on the. Don't put here because it dropped on the water a while ago.
Did you get anything?
Always biting.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a small one. The same while ago, but they took my thing. I think, Richard, it's Saturday. The workers is not here. Did you see?
Yeah.
That's why they put private property. We should bring food and then eat in that gazebo there, right?
Mhm.
Because no work, right? Saturday.
Okay, I'll try it myself. Where are you shooting that way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where are you now? That?